In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a task dashboard in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to enhance your existing setup, this guide will help you craft a customized space to keep track of tasks efficiently and effectively. To begin, launch Notion on your desktop or preferred device. Once you're in, you're going to want to navigate to your workspace. The workspace is essentially the control center of Notion, where all your pages and projects are held. Click on the space within your navigation menu. Take a moment here to look around and familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable with it. Next up, we'll be leveraging the power of templates to streamline our process. Templates in Notion are pre-made setups that allow you to quickly implement complex pages without constructing them from scratch. Within the same workspace area, locate and click on the Templates option. This will open a new pane on the right side of your screen, featuring a variety of templates categorized by their use case, such as personal, productivity, and more. In the search bar within the Templates pane, type in a relevant keyword. Depending on the exact setup you wish to create, you might try a keyword like task or project. This will help filter down the vast selection of templates to those that best fit the task management context you're focusing on. Now, from the filtered options, we're going to choose a template labeled something like Task Manager or 225 Task Manager. The naming might vary a little depending on updates or community submissions in the template library. Once you've found the template that resonates with your task dashboard vision, click on it. This action will initiate the installation and automatically populate within your workspace. When the template is loaded, you'll see a beautifully organized layout, typically showcasing sections like upcoming tasks, completed tasks, and task categories. Feel free to customize these sections by renaming them or adding new ones tailored to your specific workflow needs. You might want to assign categories that align with your projects or personal life for a more tailored approach. As you proceed with customization, try experimenting with different properties for each task, like assigning priority levels, deadline dates, or even who is responsible if you're collaborating with others. Notion offers dynamic options such as checkboxes, status dropdowns, and relational databases that can be uniquely customized for intricate tracking. And there you have it, a comprehensive task dashboard within Notion that's tailored to keep your projects organized and your productivity streamlined. If you ever feel stuck or wish to learn more about advanced features, Notion's own documentation is a great resource, and there are endless online communities ready to share tips and tricks. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide empowers you to transform your productivity landscape in Notion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. See you in the next video.